If your door threshold is looking all worn out or damaged, fixing it can totally change how your door feels and works every day. So, first off, if you notice your door threshold is cracked or warped, the best move is to replace it entirely rather than just patching it up. Measure the threshold carefully before buying a new one so it fits snug and keeps drafts out. When you're taking off the old threshold, be gentle but firm. Sometimes old caulk or nails make it stick like crazy. If the door is dragging or not closing right after you replace the threshold, try adjusting the door height to get that perfect seal without any rubbing. You can usually adjust the hinges a bit by loosening the screws and shifting the door up or down for better alignment. Don't forget to add new weather stripping around the threshold area. It makes a huge difference for keeping cold air and bugs out. Use a quality sealant around the edges to stop water from sneaking in and causing more damage later on. Finally, check that everything is level and tight so your door swings smoothly and your threshold stays solid for ages. One of the most common mistakes with door threshold repairs is not measuring correctly before buying a replacement, which can lead to gaps or an awkward fit. Always double check those measurements. Another issue people run into is ignoring door height adjustments after installing a new threshold, causing the door to drag or not latch properly. Just tweak those hinges until it slides right. Lastly, skipping weather stripping or sealant around the threshold is a big no-no because it lets air and moisture in, leading to energy loss and damage. Make sure you seal everything tight to avoid headaches down the road. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without all the hassle of endless searching or worrying about quality. For contractors, it's a great way to get steady work by connecting with people actually ready to fix up their homes.